Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock a phone number on your Android device. We all have moments where we might block a number in haste or simply change our minds later on. No worries, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First off, grab your Android device and unlock it. We're going to do this step by step. Open your phone app. This is usually located on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to open. Once you're in, look for the three dots to access the menu. This could be at the top right or bottom right corner of your screen depending on your device. Tap on these dots and a menu will appear. Here you can see the blocked option. Tap on it. Then you can see the gear icon, then tap on it. Here you can see the numbers blacklist. Click on that. And you can see whose number is on blacklist. Tap on it and click on remove. Selected numbers will be removed from the blacklist and will not be intercepted. Tap on remove. And just like that, you've successfully unblocked a phone number on your Android device. The person can now call and text you as normal. Remember, communication is key and sometimes giving someone a second chance to reach out can make all the difference. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell for more handy guides and tech tips.